Let's make it happen, guys. 2016 Panini Clear Vision Football. This is 2-box break number 6. Everybody's names and teams are board. Good luck, guys. Let's pull some monsters. And Chad, I don't see you in Genesis Hockey, by the way. I just looked, man. I don't see you in that one. Yeah, 115. I don't see you in there. All right, here we go. Clear Vision. 2-banger. All right, let's see what we got. Good luck, everybody. Here we go, guys. Let's check this one out. Let's save that one. Trust me, save that one. Save that one for last. All right, next one here is Devonta Freeman. Here we go. Here's a, oh man, wow. Cody Kessler, very nice rookie on card as well. Gotta love this stuff, man. For the Browns, David S. That is you, sir. David S. Nice hit, man. Kessler, 26 of 50. He might be something, man. I've heard. Cody Kessler. Never know till the season starts. There's a Montana grass. Yes, sir. Thanks for joining. All right, next up is Matthew Stafford. There's a Burns White Blade to $9.99. There's a Teddy. Johnny has plenty of talent, man. He just likes to party too much. That's the problem, man. You get somebody too much money too fast. Some people can't handle it. There's a Blake Bortles, as he could not. Ooh, we got a red Elway here. 48 of 49. Very, very nice for the Broncos. That's Bob P. Coming out to you. Nice one there for Bob. Elway red. There's an Aaron Rodgers. Excuse me. Next one here is AJ Green. We got a Champions purple. Wow, 3 of 9 purple. Those are hard to hit in this. Clear history. You got Wilson, Rawls, and Graham. Very nice. That's for the Seahawks. That's Alex D. Nice one there. Alex D hit a purple. Very nice. Nice hit, buddy. And you got Jamal Charles. Those are not easy to come by, man. I'm not joking. There we go. There's a Drew Brees. Yes, sir. See Precise right there. Blade and Flutie. Sorry, let me drink the water, guys. Hang on, sorry. There we go. All right. The old throat was dry relic. Next one there, there's a Dan Marino. Here we go, Ricardo Lewis to $9.99 for the Browns. Next one here, Joe Namath. Here's a red. Wow, man. There's a red. Jeez, 44 of 99 Seahawks. Clear airs, Thomas Rawls. That's Alex D. Man, you hit a red and a purple. Parallel. Very nice. In the same break. That's crazy. Tough guy alert. Yes, sir. Next one here is Tannehill, 48 of 90. Nope, that's a, never mind, excuse me, sorry. That was coming through. Brandon Dowdy, blue, 48 of 99. Dolphins, anyways. Miami, that's going to go out to Eli S. Nice one there for Eli. Blue, a lot of color in this one. That's good. Mariota. And another blue. Dang. Leonard Wilkerson. Darrelle Revis, 79 of 99 Patriots, blue. That's going to go to Chad P. Nice one there for Chad. Revis, blue. There's a nice Matt Stafford. It's a Shepard, White Blade, and Joe Hardy. That's to $9.99, by the way. White Blades. Right, and another red. My goodness. There is a AJ Green. Ooh, we got a Joe Namath. Ooh, revision. Nice. Look at that. That's a revision there. Joe Namath for the Rams. 42 of 49. And that's going to go to Jeff P. Nice one there for Jeff. Namath revision red. Man, great break. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see, Rosendo. You're not in this one, man. Not in this one. I don't see you, brother, in this one, 2-boxer. All right, there's a Blake Bortles. Right here. Here we go. Here is a, oh, man, nice. Wow, the Seahawks cleaned up this break. There's a clear cloth, 9 of 49. Nice 3-color right there. Man, oh, yeah. Alex D, that's coming out to you. Nice hit, buddy. 9 of 49. Very nice. Seahawks, man, are strong in this. I'm starting to notice. Russell Wilson. Very good, very good. That'll do it, guys, for Clear Vision Football 2-boxer number 6. Let's do another one. I'll set another one up, and let's save that for YouTube.